Welcome back. Well, warm one across the area today. Got up to 88 this afternoon. That ties the warmest so far this year, but we have some 89, 90s, and 91s in the 10-day forecast. Some are not that far away. 63 the morning start. That's normal for this time of year, but we're done with the 60s. Mostly lower 70s for lows in the days ahead. So let's get into it and talk about it and show you what's going on with respect to the big picture across the U.S. And what we're looking at is a little bit of a southwesterly or west-southwesterly flow. It's been mostly zonal, but when it turns a little bit more southwesterly, these disturbances can get going. They can fire up big storms, and then they push eastward, kind of bumping into a little bit of a ridge of high pressure. But the bottom line, strong storms develop in Texas next couple of days. They move eastward toward Louisiana. They begin to weaken, but nonetheless, we're going to see a delivery of probably several rounds of showers and storms starting tomorrow. We've raised the rain chances accordingly with the latest HRRR model guidance that most of the other models are easing off on the rain or more so, but we're going to go with higher rain chances because this is the time of year we see these mesoconvective complexes develop, and then they move eastward and they last longer than usually what the models project. Threat of severe weather this evening across the plains down through Texas, and you see a few storms developing across central and eastern Texas from the hill country on eastward. Eventually we see something more substantial develop later on tonight, and that'll be heading toward Louisiana by midday tomorrow, at least for Acadiana, perhaps western Louisiana shortly after sunrise tomorrow. Right now, though, beauty out there today. Lots of sunshine. No issues on Power Doppler 3 nor the surrounding radars. We see some of those storms back across Texas, even the threat of some hail this evening. And the severe weather threat through overnight tonight through daybreak tomorrow, mainly across the area where we're seeing those watches right now. But the storms roll eastward, so this is the extent of a slight risk and a marginal risk poking into Louisiana as we head into first thing tomorrow morning. And then the rest of Acadiana, again, storms will be weakening, so by the time they reach southeast Louisiana, we don't think we're going to see too much in the way of severe storms. The only thing we'd be concerned with are storms that could contain damaging winds or hail, but it's not going to be a widespread event. This is going to be a lower end event. The other issue, areas that got a lot of rain just a few days ago back through eastern Texas and western Louisiana. Flood watch posted again for 1 to 3 inch rainfall rates, up to 2 to 4 inches or more possible just through Thursday. And then there's going to be more rain in the forecast for Friday. So this is the way it looks to play out. The HRRR model being the most aggressive, and it's been pretty much on point, staying with its same solution with showers and storms moving through the area mid-morning into the early afternoon hours. Again, some strong storms, locally heavy downpours. Then things run out of gas, so we're going to have lingering showers and instability. And then another disturbance comes in as we head into Friday. That means more rain and thunderstorms in the forecast, so get the rain gear ready. As for rainfall totals, just through tomorrow evening, 1 to 2 inches of rain. Isolated areas could catch up to 3 to 4, so we'll see how that plays out. Models having a very difficult time discerning this pattern, but this is the time of year. May, it's always difficult to be a forecaster. You can go with a 20% chance of rain tomorrow or an 80% chance and probably be right in some spots. 73, 72 the low tonight. Then for tomorrow, it's going to be a stormy day. Temperatures hold closer to the low to mid 80s for a high, with again some locally heavy downpours in the mix, so keep that in mind. Rain chances stay high. I think this is mainly early Friday, but the Crawfish Festival should get better as we get into Saturday and Sunday, and then going into next week, a touch of that early summer heat and humidity, with lows only in the mid 70s and highs pushing the lower 90s down the road. That's it for weather for now. We'll have more a little bit later on.